Welcome to our Creating a Character on the Database here video. Join us as we go through the steps necessary to create a new character within the Fantasy Alive database. So, first step is to log in. Use your credentials, hit login, all that stuff. And you can see here that there's a couple different ways of doing this. There's your character list, or straight out go to Create a Character. You can see Create a Character brings you to this page. Or if you just go to Character List, comes out empty at the moment because we don't have anybody. So from here, you can just click on Create Character and you will go to the same page here. But when you're all ready, you start typing some things in here. So first we start with character name. This is the full or true name of your character. This is the full length of any name that you have. If your character has multiple words in their name, type them all in here. So in this case, we have demo character as our name here. So that is the full name of that character. Generally won't be used that often, depending on how you play your character. Then we go to character alias. This is the name that your character will most commonly go by while they are at site and during game. So this can be a short form of your character name. It can be the whole of your character name if you really want to go with that. Or it can be like a nickname that you plan to be known by. So whatever it is, you type it in here, and this is what, for the purposes of the database, people will see your character alias when they are looking up information to, say, trade tags with you or give player XP or anything of that kind of nature. This is what they will see. So that's there. Next is you pick what race you are in the game. There's a lot to choose from. Just for fun, we're going to go with Lizard Folk for demonstrate. And you can see as we do that, it pulls up all of the information about the race over here. This is the description you will find in the rulebook, as well as the basic stats of life points, resurrections, and whatever skills they get automatically as they start. So in this case, Lizard Folk start with the escape skill. There you go. Next, pick your character's birthday. This will default to the day that you are entering these in, so you can see this is May 9th. And back far enough so that your character is of age, as we do not allow children characters at our game. They must basically be the age of majority for their race. So in this case, you can pull up a calendar and be like, let's go back to January 2005, January 1st, why not? 2005, that's when the character's birthday is. This we like to put in there so that we can judge what age your character is, as well as keep track of when the years pass and your character goes on. They will age within the database. Next, you can pick the options for how you are starting your character. Right now on this database, we have we are only putting in brand new characters coming in. So we do not have the option to remort other characters. That will be coming up later on as we get more into building up this database here. So right now you can pick one of our starting character packages, the Cleric, Fighter, Mage, or Rogue. Or you can make your own custom character who starts at 30 skill points. So for this, let's just do a Fighter. And when you pick that, you have the types of the fighters. So these ones are the categories, and this is the more specifics of what you'd like to do. So you can fight sword and shield, axe and shield, two-handed sword, mace and shield. For this, let's pick mace and shield. Why not? So you can see down here, it actually gives you the skills that you come out with here and start with. So all of these will be on your character as soon as you hit okie dokie. So that's there. I like all of that. Looks good to me. So I hit create character. And it gives you one last time to say, do you want to change anything? Do you want to create this character? Hit yes. And now you can see you have a character here. They have their experience, their SP, all of the other information that's going on here to get this character. And there you have it. So now when you go to characters, you will see that there's a character there to click on to look at the information. And now I'm going to show you how to make a custom character. This one will be your first character again, so we're going to go down here. So we're going to use the same information here because we got rid of the old guy, so we're going to do this one again. So this guy's going to be a Curtainborn here, just for a change of pace. And you can see racial skill, spirit sense. We get some SE this time. It's a little different, but also catches you to say that you're too young. You need to be the minimum age for your character's race. So we're going to change the character birthday here to be a couple of years earlier. Let's go 98. July 28th. That was a good day. Everybody remembers that day. So in this case, instead of picking one of the template classes here, we're going to go to custom. So when you do that, you can see that all the rest of the stuff goes away, and instead you have the section here where you can start picking your skills specifically. So skill type, we can go say, let's make them able to fight a little bit. We'll pick a weapon, weapon skill, and pick one of the wonderful things that are here. Let's say this person uses a sword. Add skill, shows up there, gives you the cost, gives you the total at a 30. The maximum you can have for a custom character is 30 points. So, let's pick some more fun things here till we get to what we need here. An iron wheel doesn't have a focus, so we're done. Pick that one. And you can see here that when there are skills that have, you can buy more than one, you can see there's a plus and minus here. So I can say, well, let's buy 2 iron wheels. There we go. Now I'm up to 21, so I'm getting there. And let's pick a trade skill to give them a day job. In this case, we'll go to craftsman, and then you can see as a craftsman, there are lots of options to choose from. So you're going to go through and pick ones you want. In this case, we're going to pick glass blower. Why not? I like to work with glass. Add that skill. Now you can see that this one has, we're at 24 at a 30. The glass blower is a craftsman skill, which actually has levels to it. So you can actually add a level of that as well. Now we're up to 7 or 28. Now you can say, let's go pick another level. Oh, oops, I'm over 30. It's going to tell you that, and you'll have to back that off. And if you don't, it'll tell you you have an error and not let you actually make the character. So let's say we'll try it there so you can see what happens. Create. You want to create this character? Yes. There you go. It says the skills you have selected cost more than you have, 33 of 30. So won't let you do it. So instead, let's back it back down to second level of craftsman glassblower. We're now at 28 of 30. Excellent. That's what we need. Hit create. Do you want to create this character? Yeah, I sure do. And bam, there's all the information you can see there. All the skills that we picked are there, as well as the ones from the racial being Spirit Sense, from being a Curtainborn. And there you have it. There's creating characters. Now, once you have a character in the database, and it's not your first one there, creating character is slightly different instead. So when you go in, you can see that a bunch of the template ones are gone there. You just need to pick a name. So we'll do other, and ODC being our second character. We'll try that one out. This one's going to be a human, let's say. You can see it comes up with the characteristics, the information from the rulebook, and then we have the skills to select again here. So in this case, picking stuff here, let's go academic. Let's make them literate. That's always fun. No focus for that one. There you go. Notice here instead, your second or future characters, all future characters after your first one, start out at a skill point of either 10 or 15 based on the race. Humans are 15. You can see if I change this to gnome. Get more information, get a racial skill, but the number goes down to 10 there. So you can see that. So as we implement more things in here, we will be including the way of remorting to other characters, as well as using OC to improve on your character to start with, up to your SP cap, as we have it within the rules. At the moment, that's not implemented, but we will get there. So enjoy that. So for now, I'm going to say, what haven't we done yet? Let's do I don't know if I can, well, I can buy combat skills. Neat. I can buy shield. There we go. And there we go. 10 of 10. Gnomish, other demon character. And now we go, oh, and the birthday seems to be fine for this one here. So let's make it the second just to make it different. And create a character. Now you can see I have all of this information as well. And when I go back to my character list, I now have both of them. And you can click on each to find out each one. Other demon is my gnomish yeoman who has a shield and can read. And my demo character is a Curtainborn who can make glassworks. There you go. So that's how you make characters within the database. Enjoy, and check out our other ones for other things you can do once you've made your characters. Bye.